Hello team. In this series of videos, we're going to have a closer look at data centers. So data centers are the buildings where we store computing equipment. And we've seen that servers and other computing equipment go in racks, and then racks are usually organized in rows with aisles between them. And this is actually a picture of a Google data center. So here we can see the rows of racks and the aisles between the racks. So this is a colocation facility slash data center built by Switch. It's called the Citadel, and it's one of the biggest data centers in 2021. So the power is 100% renewable, and it's a lot of power. 815 megawatts is the estimated amount of total power that they will have available for the colocation facility. And the total space that will be available for computing equipment is also gigantic. So this is just to give an idea of how big these data centers and colocation facilities can get. This is a closer look at a row of racks, and this picture includes mostly networking equipment. We can see that it's networking equipment because there are a lot of fiber cables plugged into each equipment on the rack. So these are not servers, these are network switches. And another row now including what looks like mostly servers, and yet another row of servers. So here we can see that the servers are not all the same model. So there are different types of servers we can see by the different light patterns that each server has. Servers and other IT equipment go in racks. Racks are usually organized in rows with aisles between them, and rows of racks are grouped into pods. So a pod is a group of racks with many servers inside with networking between them that can be used to perform computation. So a pod may include power distribution units to deliver electricity to the pod. It may also include management facilities like a keyboard and a screen so that you can manage the devices on the pod. And you can buy pre-built pods like the NVIDIA DGX SuperPod we were looking at before. So you buy these pods, then you can have them shipped to a colocation facility, and then you're going to have computing resources at that colocation facility, or you can buy a pre-built pod and have it on your own building. And these pods, they make up a data center. So you interconnect pods and then you have a lot of computing capacity.